If you get this error message and you try to launch a creators game and the error says an error occurred, failed to install EasyAntiCheat. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. The fix that works for so many people is this one. Try to restart your PC, exit Steam and launch it as administrator. Sometimes this fixes the permission issues. So after just restarting your PC, come here to the home page, then select here on the system tray. If you see any Steam icon, right click on it and then select exit Steam. After exiting Steam, then come here and try to relaunch Steam as administrator by simply right click on the icon and then select run as administrator, and hopefully this will be able to resolve the issue. If you're still facing again the same problem, now you can try the next step. You can try adding install prod then this -fn at the end of the target path in the properties for the EAC EOS setup shortcut and verify integrity of your game files, and then restart your PC. So go to your Steam game here and then select here on the library. Look for your game which you are facing issues. For your game which is Arcraders, let's say this is Arcraders, just an example, right click on it and then select here on manage and then select browse local files. Now also select browse local files, you'll see this EasyAntiCheat folder. Now simply open this EasyAntiCheat folder and then you'll see this EasyAntiCheat EOS setup. Now right click on it and then make sure to select here on show more option, and then you'll see an option which says send to. Select here send to desktop. Simply you'll be able to create a shortcut. Now also create a shortcut, go to your desktop icons here. So look for your desktop icon, you'll see this EasyAntiCheat shortcut. Now right click on it and then select here on properties. Now on the target here, make sure to come and leave a space. So you just need to leave a space here, and then you'll need to copy this. I'll provide this information on the description. So copy this which is written here exactly as it is written, install prod -fn, and then come here and then just leave a space. So you'll have to leave a space and then paste it by Ctrl+V. Now once you paste it just like so, ensure that you leave a small space. So install prod-fn, and then you'll have to apply to save changes. Then click OK. Then right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to agree to allow to make changes on your device. And then after running it as administrator, go to your Steam. Now look for your game, which will be the Arcraders game. Make sure to right click on your game and then go to properties, select on the installed files, and make sure to verify integrity of your game files. Now wait for the verification to finish. After the verification finishes here, just to save time, after the verification reaches 100%, then you can try to relaunch the game, and hopefully this will be able to resolve the issue. If you're still facing again the same problem, try running this EAC EOS as administrator. Simply go to your library. So you'll have to go to your library, just right click on your game and then select here manage and then select on browse local files for your game. Now also browse local files, select here on EasyAntiCheat. Make sure to try to run this as an administrator. After running this as an administrator, click yes to allow to make changes. Then try to also check if the issue has been resolved. Now you can try another step which works for so many people is this one. Press Window key plus R on your keyboard and then type this, which is MSConfig, and then click OK. Also click OK, go here to the service tab. Also on the service tab, it says here, which is go to the service tab and disable all anti-cheats in the service section and then restart your PC. So you'll have to come here and then make sure to check for any EasyAntiCheat services. So scroll down. If you see any EasyAntiCheat like this one, you'll have to uncheck it. If you uncheck it, you'll be able to disable just like that. But if you see any EasyAntiCheat service, make sure to uncheck it. After uncheck all the EasyAntiCheat services, just click apply to save changes. Then you can click OK. After unchecking, then restart your PC. Now go to this directory here, which is C program files 86 EasyAntiCheat EOS, and delete EasyAntiCheat EOS.sys. Then restart your PC again. Then you're good to go. So you'll have to press Windows plus E, and then go here to this PC. Then go here to C, look for program files 86. Now look for EasyAntiCheat EOS folder, open it, and then you see this EasyAntiCheat EOS.sys. You'll have to right click on it, then select here delete. After deleting, and then you'll have to restart your PC again, and then you're good to go, and hopefully this will be able to resolve the issue. If it all fails, then here the final step you might try. This can help you resolve the issue. First, fresh install the game. You'll have to delete and then reinstall back the game. You'll have to fresh install the game. Now launch the game once, you'll see the same problem. Close the game afterwards. Now, turn off your antivirus if you have one running. If you have any antivirus program, especially third parties, make sure to turn it off. After turn off your antivirus program, delete the EasyAntiCheat folder inside the game directory. So to delete the EasyAntiCheat folder inside the game directory, you'll have to open a Steam program. Also open a Steam program. Let's say this is a game. You'll have to right click on it and then select here on manage and select here on browse local files to open your game folder. Now look for the EasyAntiCheat folder and make sure to delete this folder. After deleting this EasyAntiCheat folder inside your game directory, after deleting the EasyAntiCheat folder inside the game directory, now delete the EasyAntiCheat folder in this directory again, which is C program files 86, and then you see the EasyAntiCheat folder. So press Windows plus E, and then go here to this PC, click on C, and then look for program files 86, look for the EasyAntiCheat EOS. Now simply you'll have to click on it and then select here delete to delete it again. After deleting, verify integrity of your game files again by going to your Steam. Also go to your Steam, make sure to right click on your game and then select properties, select all stored files and make sure to look for verification here. If you see it, you'll have to verify integrity of your game files. I have already validated my game files, so you don't see this option, but for you, if you see it, you should verify integrity of your game files. After verify integrity of your game files, once all files finish downloading or once all files finish the validated, fully close Steam, including the system tray. You'll come here to the system tray, right click on the Steam icon, select exit. Now restart the Steam as administrator, launch Arc Raiders and click play, and the issue should just be resolved. So ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully, and I hope you'll be able to resolve this issue. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.